Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix Terabox slow download. Let's begin. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Check that your device has full signal bars, then run a speed test to confirm your internet speed is performing well. Next, open the Terabox app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings. From there, choose the option to clear all cache data. This will remove any unnecessary files or downloads that may be causing issues. If that does not improve your download speed, try clearing the app's data and cache directly from your device settings. This also works for Android users. Press and hold the Terabox app icon, tap on the eye icon, then select both Clear Cache and Clear Data. This process resets the app's temporary files, which may be slowing it down. If the problem still continues, uninstall the Terabox app from your device completely. Once removed, reinstall it from your app store. This ensures you get the latest version of the app with potential bug fixes and performance improvements. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.